Take a look at this water molecule. If I ask you what is its temperature, or what is its boiling point, or does it have surface tension, you tell me that it's a meaningless question because it's just a water molecule. But now, bring all these water molecules, billions of these water molecules together, something incredible happens. Now again, if I ask the same question, does it have boiling point, does it have surface tension, suddenly that question becomes more valid. A water molecule is not wet, but water is wet. A single water molecule has no boiling point, but water has a boiling point. We will take one more example. A single gas molecule, take any gas molecule. A gas molecule is moving, that means it has velocity. But you bring billions of these gas molecules together, and when they move, we get a new property called as temperature. This phenomenon in physics is called as emergence. A system will have some properties that a single particle does not. And this property is not only seen in physics, you can see it in other stuff as well. For example, in biology, take a DNA molecule, take water molecules, take some proteins, take some amino acids. On its own, they are just dead chemical substances. But you bring them together, arrange them in a particular structure, and we get living organisms. Dead chemicals to living organisms. Now bring a bunch of humans together, and what is the emergence property that we get? I think the emergence property that we get is culture, food, and language. India is a very densely populated country, and a consequence of that is we are rich in culture and heritage. So when humans live in a place for a long period of time, the culture of that area becomes part of their identity. So when migration happens, there is migration of culture as well. So what is the consequence of this? The consequence of this is chaos. Since people tie culture to their identity, it's difficult for them to adapt to a new culture. It's difficult for anyone. The feeling of outsider versus local is a consequence of that. The problem of language, the problem of culture, all these are emergence properties, the consequence of living in a society. Most people don't go to another place with bad intentions. This is just an outcome that happens when you live in a society. That's what I think.